I bought this cabinet because I needed extra storage in my kitchen. It's a lot of pieces. Yes, I used a drill because I am a seasoned IKEA furniture builder. I will say if you're not used to putting furniture together like this, just use a screwdriver. But if you use a drill, it's fine as long as you're gentle. I'm showing the whole process of me putting it together because this was a 3.5 hour project, even with a drill, but that's okay. I expected it to be a lot. It's important to read the instructions. I messed up a few times, and the top piece did arrive a little damaged. You can see it on the end, but the supplier was really great, and they shipped me the new top piece immediately. It arrived